Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add managers to your YouTube channel. If you are a YouTuber and you want to add different admin roles, this video tutorial will show you how to go about it. But before we dive into the tutorial of the day, which is how to add managers to your YouTube channel, I'll advise you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new to this channel, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. So let's quickly dive into the topic. So for you to add managers to your YouTube channel, you need to log into your YouTube channel using the web browser. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser in my mobile phone. So you launch your browser, you logged in into your YouTube channel. But before you add manager in your YouTube channel, you have to switch to desktop mode because it can't be done on the mobile mode. So to switch to desktop mode, you click on the three dots at the top right. You tick desktop sites. We're switching to desktop sites. So we've successfully switched to desktop sites. Now you click on your profile icon at the top right. Then you click on settings. Now you are in your settings. You see where it's written channel managers. You click on add or remove managers. Then you click on manage permissions. You will need to verify if you're the one trying to add manager. You will need to verify if you are actually the one. I'm trying to verify that I'm the one. Just give me a minute, I'm trying to verify. Sorry, I'm trying to verify. I'm not getting the code. I'm not getting it in my other device. Yes, we've successfully verified that we are the one trying to make this manager. So now we click on manage permissions. Sorry guys for the delay. So now we are currently on the page. So for you to add manager, you click on the icon at the top right, this icon up here. You click on it. So here you'll be able to add managers with the admin role. You can add by using the names or the email address. Then you select the role you want to give the manager, if it's the owner, the manager, or a communication manager. After adding the email, you click on invite, and that manager will have to accept. That way you've successfully added the person as the manager. So guys, that is it on how to add manager on your YouTube channel. I believe this video is helpful. If it is, kindly give me a thumbs up by liking this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.